Hi, this is John from Artistry and Glass, today discussing the problem of stained or cloudy glassware. I'm talking about that annoying haziness that won't seem to disappear from your beautiful crystal wine glasses, however much you wash them. Now, there are scores of remedies suggested in high-ranking blog posts, all of which have one thing in common. They all use products found in most people's kitchen or bathroom. They appeal to the frugal instincts, but the problem is they are mostly ineffective, except on very minor stains. Do not waste your time and efforts. I'm going to reveal here the completely foolproof and guaranteed methods to make sure your crystal will sparkle like new. By the way, if you like this video, don't forget
Really?
to subscribe using the buttons below. First step in the process is to figure out what is causing the cloudiness. Our experience is that there are two main culprits. The first and most common is hard water staining caused by the evaporation of tap water and the deposition of calcium or magnesium carbonate. In glasses, vases, and bowls, you can identify hard water stains because they are whitish surface deposits that usually get worse towards the bottom of the glass. They characteristically show rings marking the positions of the water surface as it gradually evaporated. The second type of cloudiness is often found in crystal glasses that have been unwisely washed in the dishwasher. A pervasive haziness can be produced by etching the surface of the delicate lead crystal by phosphates and other harsh chemicals in dish detergents. Change to the molecular structure of the glass, resulting in a permanent etching. Notice that this type of hazing affects the entire glass. Okay, so you've figured out the type of cloudiness. How do you go about removing it? For hard water deposits, dissolving with acid is the best way, and the folk remedy of vinegar sometimes works because vinegar is acetic acid and it can dissolve calcium carbonate. However, in practice, vinegar is too weak to remove serious stains, so we recommend bringing in the big guns with a professional water spot remover made by CRL. Notice that this is not the same product as CLR, calcium, lime, and rust brand. CRL is a professional grade spot remover and should be used with great care with protective gloves and face masks because it contains a special formula including hydrofluoric and sulfuric acids. Using a Q-tip, always test an inconspicuous area on the base of your crystal to make sure there are no unexpected reactions. Do not use CRL on decorated, enameled, or gilded glasses. Here we demonstrate the use of CRL on a whiskey glass with thick hard water deposits. Notice the scale miraculously dissolving almost immediately and releasing from the surface of the glass. A caution, do not leave the fluid in the glass. Agitate and rinse thoroughly with tap water as soon as you have seen that it has worked. Now, if the haziness persists, it's very likely that your crystal is permanently etched, and you will have to use Plan D, which is abrasive polishing. Once again, folk remedies have some basis in science. Toothpaste brands, for example, contain abrasives, but in practice, these are too fine and soft polished glass. Fortunately, the abrasive polishing methods used by professional glassworkers are now available to anyone with access to Amazon. Use cerium oxide on a foam pad. Using a suitable pad in a hand drill, make a paste with cerium powder and polish carefully. In this example, the owner had previously tried to remove the haziness by scouring with an abrasive 3M Scotch pad. This produced fine scratches that can also be removed by polishing with cerium oxide. Don't forget, never use abrasive cleaning pads on lead crystal. In conclusion, do not waste your time on eggshells, dried rice, dried peas, or other wacky folk remedies. Use CRL water spot remover to dissolve hard water stains, and use cerium oxide to polish out hazy etched crystal. Follow the links in the description below and say goodbye to cloudy glassware. Local Tucson customers, bring in your crystal to our Midtown studio for expert repair. Artistry in Glass, crystal repair experts since 1986.